Hello guys, welcome back. If your portable air conditioner is too loud, it can be really annoying, especially when you're trying to sleep, work, or relax in a quiet environment. These units naturally produce some noise because of the compressor and fan, but excessive or distracting sound can make them uncomfortable to use. Sometimes the noise isn't just from normal operation, it can be caused by placement issues, loose parts, or airflow restrictions. The good thing is that you don't need to replace your unit to reduce the noise. With a few simple adjustments and proper setup, you can make your portable air conditioner run much quieter. So guys, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to make your portable air conditioner quieter and more comfortable to use. Try these. 1. Place the unit on a flat and stable surface. 2. Tighten any loose panels or components. 3. Ensure the air filter and vents are clean. 4. Adjust the exhaust hose to avoid bends or blockages. 5. Use a lower fan speed to reduce noise. 6. Confirm the unit runs more quietly after adjustments.